My name is Imoke Innocent. I enrolled here a few months ago at Marketing or website development. So far, my experience here has been awesome. Before now, I've been wanting to delve into tech, and I've tried some online classes, and it has not been smooth. Then suddenly, I saw an advert on Marketing, so I decided to give it a try with Marketing, and so far, I've never regretted it. Here in Marketing, I can say it is 5% theory and 95% practical. Now, I think I can boldly beat my chest and say that I am 99% sure that I can build a website from scratch. From the beginning, it wasn't easy, but with hard work, determination, and passion, I was able to build the website. All I can say for people that want to delve into tech is that first of all, they should just have a passion for it and have this self determination that they can achieve whatever they want to achieve in the world of tech. If you're in Calabar or close by, I would recommend Mal Creative Hub any day, anytime. Mal Creative Hub is the number one tech presently in Calabar.